The 2026 Toyota Century is not just a car, it's a statement, a masterpiece of Japanese craftsmanship. This ultra-luxurious flagship sedan has been reimagined for the modern era while holding firmly to its heritage. Let's get started. Exterior. The exterior design exudes presence and prestige, featuring a bold, upright stance with a larger-than-life grille adorned with the iconic Phoenix emblem. Sleek LED headlamps blend traditional elegance with modern precision, while the strong shoulder lines and a long wheelbase emphasize its limousine-class proportions. Toyota has also introduced new wheel designs with a majestic multi-spoke layout and chrome accents, enhancing the vehicle's regal character. A palette of refined, understated colors is offered, including deep black, pearl white, and a classic royal blue, all hand-polished for a mirror-like finish. Every line, every curve is deliberate and dignified, reinforcing the Century's quiet power. And, yes, rear doors are now electronically operated sliding doors, adding both convenience and a wow factor, unlike anything else in its class. Interior. Step inside, and you'll immediately understand why the Century is regarded as Japan's ultimate luxury car. The interior is a sanctuary. Toyota has spared no expense in materials: real wood trims, thick wool upholstery, and hand-stitched leather cover every surface. The cabin is designed for ultimate passenger comfort, especially in the rear. Rear seat occupants are treated like royalty, with fully reclining massage seats, a 12.3-inch entertainment display, refrigerated storage, and ambient lighting that mimics traditional Japanese paper lanterns. Up front, the dashboard is elegantly minimalistic, with a wide digital instrument cluster and a new 15-inch infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The analog clock remains as a tribute to timeless class, while soundproofing has been taken to an entirely new level. This is probably the quietest cabin you'll ever experience in a combustion vehicle. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Century introduces a new level of performance refinement. For the first time, it comes equipped with a plug-in hybrid system based on a 3.5-liter V6 engine, paired with a powerful electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 400 horsepower. This allows for a whisper-quiet, electric-only drive mode for city cruising, along with a responsive yet buttery-smooth acceleration when needed. The E4 all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and balance, whether you're navigating wet roads or gliding through urban streets. The suspension is fully adaptive, reading the road ahead and adjusting in real time to eliminate bumps and vibrations, further enhancing that flying-on-a-cloud experience. The regenerative braking system is also seamlessly integrated, giving the driver complete control without sacrificing comfort. And of course, all the latest safety features are standard. Toyota's most advanced driver assistance suite with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, and even a chauffeur assist. Mode. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content.